Good evening all, this is Tom here. Just learned how to brake the engine when it's running. In the Tsunami 2, by default it's F11, and it stops the train immediately. So I'm going to show you how it is. And I saw a lot of videos about this, and they never showed what CVs to set, but I'm going to tell you which ones they are. So here we go, and I'm going to start it out. That's speed step 3, and now I'm going to hit F11. See how it stopped immediately. Still hear it running. Now I'm going to increase it to speed step 5. Now it's getting louder. Now if I hit F11 again, it's going to release and go at that speed. And now I'm going to come to a stop normally. Okay. So it's very simple. There's 3 CVs that you need to set. CV3, CV4, and CV117. So what I did was I set CV3 to a value of 60. I set CV4 to a value of 120 or 167, and then CV217 to a value of 255. So what that does is, by default, all 3 of those CVs, 3, 4, and 117, are all 0. So if you hit the when you go back to 0 on your throttle, the engine would default to stop immediately. That's momentum. So by making it 60 for CV3 and 167 for CV4, it's going to start out a little quicker, and it's going to come to a stop in more realistic. Like when I hit 0, it's going to continue to go for a little bit, and then it'll come to a complete stop, like you saw there. So that's all there is to it. And I just finished up my Tsunami installs. I just have one more engine that I'm waiting for the decoder to come back from Soundtracks, because it didn't work, and I'm waiting for them to repair it. But other than that, I did 3 of my free engines with these settings, and now I'm going to work on the 2 engines that are consistent together, and make these changes in there. And that way, when they, I can stop them immediately by hitting the shift key, holding the shift key down, and hitting the F11 key, which is on the bottom of your power cab. I was a little hesitant on making the momentum changes, because I like to hit 0 and let it come to a stop. But with having the brake feature on, it'll work out great. So now when I'm up in my turntable and putting them in the roundhouse and stuff like that, or in this service tracks, I can just hit the brake and stop it where I want to, instead of letting it go all the way in by momentum and stop. It could run through a bumper or the back end of the roundhouse. Not really, but it could if you didn't pay attention. So that's all I wanted to show you guys, and we're getting there, and we'll see you all in the next video. And again, Happy New Year to you all, and all take care. This is Tom, and we'll see you again.